It is Friday evening. You just finished a fix and now you have to put it live. So you zip the code, copy it onto the server by hand and restart it. 1 minute later, the site is down. Nobody knows what changed. You lose 40 minutes to guessing and there is no clean way to undo it. This is how putting code live used to work, and it was done by hand every single time. The build came from your laptop with your settings and your one missing file. You meant to run the tests, but it was late and you were in a hurry. And nobody wrote down which version is actually running out there. It takes one tired person on one bad evening and your whole product is offline. So we stopped doing it by hand and gave the job to a robot. The moment you push your code, a fresh clean machine wakes up. It pulls your code, installs what the app needs, and builds it. Then it runs every test you have written while you go get coffee. Green means your change is safe. Red means it never reaches the shared code. That gate is called continuous integration, and every change is checked the same way. And all these steps are written down in one small file next to your code. So the robot does the same thing in the same order every single time. You have seen the names like GitHub Actions, Jenkins, and GitLab. They are all the same idea. When the tests pass, the robot packs the app into one sealed box. It is the same box for testing and for real users, and it is built only once. It gets a version number, and it is kept on a shelf. Nothing gets built on somebody's laptop again. Now that box gets delivered to a practice copy of the real thing. First, it answers a few quick questions. Did it start? Does it answer? Is it healthy? If the answers are yes, the same box goes out to real users. That is continuous delivery. But it does not go to everyone at once. It goes to a tiny slice of your users first. You watch the errors for a few minutes, and if everything stays quiet, you send it to everyone. The old copies keep serving while the new ones start, so nobody sees a restart. And if any check fails, the deploy stops itself, and the old version keeps serving. And when something bad does slip through, you do not fix it live. You put yesterday's box back. It is still on the shelf, ready to go. It takes seconds to undo, instead of a 40-minute night. One warning before you go. Code goes backward easily, but data does not. A change to your database is the one step you cannot simply undo. So that is what cicd really is. It is not magic, it is a checklist that a robot runs. You push, it builds, it tests, it packs the box, it ships to a few, it watches, and then it ships to all. So start small, with one file, one test, and one command to ship it. Do it the same way every time, and Friday evening stops being scary.